Hey guys, Dr. Zadeh at Z Center. We have our lovely client here today. We're going to do some Sculptra injections on her. I love Sculptra. It's a very good collagen stimulating treatment that gives gradual results over time that are long lasting. So we're going to treat her temples, her cheeks, a little bit to the marionette area, a little bit along the jawline, and a little bit to the nasolabial folds. Okay. A little poke. Ice is applied to each injection site prior to injection to aid in comfort. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So the Sculptra has numbing in it, which makes the treatment more comfortable. The Sculptra is diluted in water for injection. So most of the swelling that you see here is from the water during the injection. This will reabsorb 2 to 3 days post-injection, and then the collagen building process will begin. It takes about 3 to 6 months from the date of your last session to see the results. However, results can then last between 2 to 3 years. Once injection to the temples is completed, the left side of the face is injected in a similar fashion. Thanks for watching. Please contact us if you have any questions.